Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a dialer campaign from the real-time dashboard. First, log into your real-time dashboard, navigate to the dialer section on the left, and then go to Campaigns. To create a new one, simply click Add Campaign. Select an existing campaign to copy settings from. This copies the most common settings you'll need. You can choose to copy the phone number of this campaign, area code specific numbers, and recycle rules. Then click Next. Now, enter your campaign name and activate it if needed. Set the lead order. This determines how the campaign prioritizes leads. For more details, hover over the information icon. You can enable additional features such as auto voicemail detection, callback setup, and campaign login options when no leads are available. If you've already configured your CRM integration, enable updates to sync with your CRM. In the Dial tab, specify how long the dialer should attempt to call a single lead and how many calls it should make per available agent. Increase or decrease this ratio as needed. You can also switch to the predictive dialing mode, which automatically adjusts the dialing rate based on the dropped calls percentage. In the Caller ID tab, add the phone number you'll use for this campaign. Once all settings are configured, click Add to create campaign. It will appear on the list. To modify settings, click the Edit button. You can navigate through the General Settings, Dial Settings, Caller ID, and Recycle tabs. The Recycle tab contains rules for handling leads after the first call attempt. Leads enter the system as new and change status based on agent input. Create rules to specify which status types should receive follow-up calls, how many total attempts to make, time gaps between attempts, and any additional actions needed. Click Save after making changes. To add leads, go to the Leads List tab. I'll show you how to upload leads using an Excel file. Click the Upload button, and the system will prompt you to select your file. When uploaded, you'll see the column headers from the spreadsheet on the left. Match these to the corresponding fields in our system. If a field doesn't have a match, use one of the empty fields. Once everything is mapped, click Add, and leads will be imported into the system. In the Callbacks tab, you can view and manage callback settings. In the Statuses tab, you'll find all the pre-configured statuses, and you can also add custom ones. You can categorize, put the name, and add descriptions if needed. That's it. If you need more details, feel free to contact our support. We're happy to provide additional guidance about our system. Thanks for watching.